GBKP pasal 22 guna melayani masuk-masuk kami keluarga. Kami selaku orang tua dan keluarga ikut tertutup telah dibakar ngarak-ngarak gereja nak terkubatin masuk-masuk tenda.
Kami ibas gelar rukun gereja GBKP pasal 22 arah meriah ukur ngalau-ngalau kam krina ibas pelaksana kebatin masuk-masuk perjabun anak tenda. Ditotokan gelah dibatas masuk-masuk kebatian tenda. Gelah malam ateta krina ibas terpuji gelah dibata. Bagaimana kita berangkat ubas rumah pertonton tenda minum pemasuk-masuk hidup di Batanari.
Các chuyên gia đến cái là ngàn thì
My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
and
Your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love.
today I will walk with my hands in God. Today I will trust in Him and not be afraid, for He will be there, for He will be there every moment to share on this wonderful day He has made. Dalam hidupku berjalan bersamamu, Yesus Tuhanku, sebab Kau sertaku, selalu sertaku sepanjang hidupku, bahagia selalu.
Manbata saraya Tuhan, kurang persikapan kita. Saraya Tuhan, kurang persikapan kita.